nigga on tape pay cut 45.
What's up, y'all? Got this shit right back in. I gotta put this through here. That's what I'm about to do right now. I don't know if y'all can see it. I gotta place this a certain way so y'all can see what's going on. See, I had to move it and tighten it right there. See if y'all can get it good. Going on, y'all? I got it all the way tightened up, put back together, and everything cool now. So I'm gonna do a few test runs and drives and let y'all see what is, what this motherfucker about. It makes my car sound a lot different too. What's good, YouTube? I'm back. See, that's my updated version of it. They're my old one. That's my new one. That's my old one. That's my new one. I did an updated. See, I did some old country shit. I cut that shit. I cut my old factory one, cut the box off where it was pulling in too much heat, which wasn't giving me no power. So basically, I got this motherfucker, which cost me an arm and a leg, was like $300 for this motherfucker. But like I said, it fell off when I first installed it, but yeah.